All right, so we're here at the back of the yard here. We have those two tanks that we removed the other day.
Oh, it's a little sketchy.
It's working.
So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna try and break those up, along with there's some other cement that we've collected from around the house. So what we're gonna try and do is break them up. So I've got that one rock over there. Hopefully I'm gonna drop that rock on. Unfortunately, I don't have a thumb on the excavator, so it's not gonna be as easy, but I should be able to grab the rock and just drop it. I don't want to just start punching on it with the excavator because it's really hard on the machine. So the idea is to break it up with the least amount of damage possible, and hopefully it goes smoothly. So that's a pretty old tank, so I'm assuming they'll be brittle, but I don't know, who knows. Hopefully this goes well. We'll see. And welcome back to another Dirty Diggers video. On our last video, I know we ended off by saying this one would be the landscaping and interlock wrapping up of the project here, but I forgot I had some footage of us actually removing the tanks here from the backyard. So I thought it would be interesting for you guys to watch and enjoy and see how this little part of the process went out, removing the tanks and smashing them, because I just figured who wouldn't want to see that. So hopefully everyone enjoys this, and if you do, please remember again to please give the video a like, subscribe if you're new, and keep on coming back for more of this kind of content, and enjoy. Okay, so that worked out. We got this broken up into manageable pieces, as you can see there from the nice little pile. So we got 2 tanks and another massive circle that I broke into 2 halves, as you saw. It was a big thick circle that was over a big tank we used to have at the house. And yeah, now it's, I don't know, a dump truck load or less of crushed concrete. And we're just gonna haul that away. One thing I can't stress enough is how much I love this thing. It's my first love with machines. That's what got me into machines right there, is that baby. God, just look at that thing all day. This one's not bad itself though. Not too shabby. But yeah, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time.